This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by making sure your device can record coordinates. Enable location/GPS and choose high accuracy. Open your camera app or switch on geotagging in the camera settings so each photo records lat/long. Make sure your camera clock matches your phone's GPS time because mismatched timestamps break synchronization later. Once done, take a test photo outdoors with a clear sky view. This validates satellite lock and metadata, embedding before you proceed with bulk photography. Now you'll gather reliable geotagged photos. Shoot with clear sky visibility and hold still briefly to let the GPS fix. This improves coordinate accuracy. After each shot or batch, open an EXIF reader or the camera's preview info to verify latitude, longitude, altitude, and timestamp are present. If you plan mapping, export images with intact EXIF. Avoid apps that strip metadata. Keep an eye on reported GPS accuracy. Higher values mean lower precision, so retake if accuracy is poor. Finalize by exporting photos while preserving EXIF. Use USB or a cloud service that doesn't strip metadata. Import into mapping or photo management tools that read GPS EXIF so you can plot points or create routes. If you find missing coordinates, first check app permissions and whether an app or upload process removed EXIF. Also confirm device time sync if timestamps are off. You can batch geotag by matching GPX tracks to photos. One troubleshooting tip: reinstall the camera app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.